This unit is designed as a prosumer unit. This thing looks like what you would see at a Starbucks or a large coffee place, but it's shrunk down for countertop size. Now the sides are plastic. As soon as I hit this power button, it's going to start heating up, and this is a double boiler system. So it has two different boilers in here, and they're designed to help you make steam while you're pulling shots. Oh, it is a wonderful flat tamper. Another interesting thing about the portafilter in this one, it is much larger. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but that is much larger in circumference. So this one is designed, it's 58 millimeters. It's a commercial size. So when I use that tamper, I'm pushing down with 30 to 40 pounds of pressure. This one includes a built-in grinder, so you're ready to pull shots as soon as you drop this in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put that portafilter in. I can go ahead and set if I want 1 cup or 2. In this case, I'm gonna say that I want 2, and then I'm gonna tap the power button 1 time to grind. Now, to set the actual, the grind level, you can go left and right, and I haven't taken this off yet, but in there is a burr grinder. So it's a professional grinder, and you can set it to whatever. They say start at 15, then work it to whatever you want. I'm gonna go ahead and grind us for 2 shots. So there we go. Now it's saying that it just completed that grind. Okay, so this one put a lot more coffee in than earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and compress this down. And this is where that tamper comes in. So there we go. I've compressed that down to 30 to 40 pounds. It has different styles. It has double walled and standard output. So what is a double wall? Well, the double wall has a very, very tiny hole in the portafilter. This one has a lot larger screen. So in the case of this one, the coffee is actually creating the back pressure for the system. And that coffee, depending on how tight it's ground and how much is in there, is going to be what controls the pressure. This one you have to have less skill on, but it'll actually make that crema a lot easier because it's going to control the pressure based on that very small calibrated hole they have. So that's the difference between a standard and a double wall. Now I can set it to single, double, or a manual size. It's also fully customizable. You can go through this and you can set all of the settings for temperatures. So this is a professional machine just shrunk down to countertop size. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell it to extract. Now it's compressing. It's doing that pre-infusion, and then it's gonna start drawing that coffee out. You can see that rich coffee crema color coming through. It's right in the perfect part of the arc there. So again, this thing grinds very, very well. Look at that rich layering here. This is some fantastic espresso. Well, it's got a couple cool things. One, it has a steam only setting or a hot water setting. So you turn this knob here on the right. If I turn it to the right, I'm gonna just extract water. So this has got those double boilers, separate boiling system. Now that's putting a lot of water out quickly. So if you're an Americano fan, there's your hot water immediately to kind of pre-temper your glasses, get them nice and warm. So that's one option. If I want to do the frothing, I turn the knob the other way. So by turning the knob that way, it's going to be loud. That's how you create your froth, and that's how you get your perfect froth for your lattes there. It's got a huge area up top for more glasses. The tamper is much better. It is solid metal. Overall, the fit and finish on this one just fits a lot more commercial. It feels